Hey guys, welcome back to my next video. So today we're going to be focusing on an introduction to dropshipping. Um, I'll be go I'll be going over the plan that I have made for everyone here to follow. Also guys, if you're new here, which most of you probably are because I just made the channel, make sure you subscribe, join the community. Uh, I'll answer all your questions, or I'll try my best to. And yeah, we'll be one family. Anyway, so this document I made will also be available in the description below. It'll be a Google document. I just put it on Word because it's easier for me. But yeah, let's get into it. So, looking at it first, I've made a table here covering the costs that we need for dropshipping with paid ads. Alright, this is all in Australian dollars, by the way. So we can get the Shopify plan for $1.44. All simple. I got all the links below, so don't worry about it. And then GoDaddy, that's the domain. That'll cost $22. So up front, you're gonna have to pay 23, and then yeah. So these are the variable costs right here. So we're gonna be using paid ads with TikTok, and that'll cost anywhere from $150 to $400 per product. So the reason why it's 150 to 400 is because I can help you. I'll teach you guys how to analyze the data and whether or not you should surf the ads because they might be doing well. You might scale them, or judge it by the data. You can know if you should kill them or keep them going. And then viral e-com ads. So to save time and money, we're gonna get viral e-com ads to make the ads for us, and they will cost $70 per ad. And using a discount code which they'll give you, I'll teach you how to get it. You can get 15% off. So it'll come down from like 95 to 70. So yeah. And then right here I put how much you need per product. So 220 to 400. And I recommend starting with $2,000. If you guys don't have that right now, what I suggest doing is creating a resume. I don't know how old you guys are, but create a resume, get a job, wash cars. That's what I did. Any opportunity to make money, take it. It'll all be worth it in the end. So make sure you grind, hustle, get that 2,000 and focus. Also, don't get too emotionally attached to the money, because you can lose it all. You can make way more, but in this scenario, we want it to be, if you only have 2,000 to your name, do not do this because that's stupid. Do it at a point where you can, okay, I'm happy to lose that, but that'll just mean I have to work X amount of weeks to make that back, but it won't affect me in any way. Okay, moving on. So why can't I drop ship with only $1,000 or less? So a lot of my friends have actually asked me this. So honestly, starting with only $1,000 and using paid ads is really it's not smart, because you can lose it. Like, ads chew up money really quickly, so $1,000 will go pretty quick, and you can only limit how many products you can test. Yeah, so here I said, to mitigate these risks, focus on targeted small-scale ad campaigns, leverage organic marketing. So that's the thing. If you're doing $1,000 or less right now, I wouldn't suggest doing paid ads. Just stick to organic. But that's not my side of things. I don't do organic. That's just my preference. I do paid ads, and that's what I'm going to teach. And you can learn with me. I'm still learning. But yeah, that's essentially why you don't start with doing paid ads with $1,000 and less. Overall, it's just not smart. Yeah. So these are our first steps to getting started with dropshipping. So we want to pick a niche, and if any of you don't know what a niche is, it's like a explain it? It's just like a group of oh my god, how do I explain? So look, I'll put it here. So examples of niches include like home improvement, home decor, pet, health and beauty, child and baby, kitchen and dining. So it's all these like groups of clothing, accessories, technology, software, but you don't dropship software. You don't really, child, baby, like, just, it's hard to explain this one, but yeah. So pick a niche that you're most knowledgeable in. So, someone out there you might have like 3 dogs or something, so you might want to pick the pet niche because you know a lot about dogs, you know what they need, you know what they like struggle with, whatever. So because whatever niche you have the most background knowledge will greatly assist you in finding a winning product that might have potential to scale to be on the moon, so make a bunch of money. But yeah, I've got the examples there. Guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, this will all be available in the link below. Oh yeah, also after you pick a niche, come up with a brand name and come up with a business name. Yeah, I have 3 things that you need to make sure you tick. So, is the name short and easy to remember? So like Nike, Adidas, Toyota, Porsche. These are all brands that are one-worded and they sound very high quality. It rolls off your tongue. It's easy to remember, catchy. You don't have to stick to one word, but definitely don't go above 2, because that's where you get to a point where, I don't know, let's say you're selling pet products, you're going to be the pet galore. Like, it sounds outdated. It's not good. People don't look for that anymore. So stick to simplicity. That'll definitely help you a lot. So, is the brand name actually available on GoDaddy as a .com? So, if you guys have a brand name right now that you're thinking of, stop the video, go to GoDaddy.com, put it in, and put .com next to it, and see if it's available. If it's not available, you're gonna have to brainstorm again, get a new name, because we need the domain to match our brand name. Otherwise, it'll look really weird. It's like calling your brand Nike, but then the domain's gonna be called footwear.com. Like, it's got to match up. Can the name be used to cover a broad range of products that you can test? So, for example, jtech.com, it's solely subject to sell tech products, because jtech.com, you're not going to be selling activewear or anything like that, or pet products or baby products. Like, Gymshark is another example. So they sell gym accessories, because Gymshark, they're not going to be selling technology. So you want it to relate to a wide range of products. So don't say fidgetspinners.com and sell laptops and like other fidget toys that aren't fidget spinners, Like, it's got to be broad. So gym, you got yoga, you got activewear, you got those like Whoop bands or whatever, you got clothing, you got a bunch of stuff, you got weights, you got everything, but it all relates back to gym. Next step is get the domain for your brand. So once you've confirmed that your chosen brand name is available to purchase on GoDaddy as a .com, for example Nike.com, go ahead and purchase the domain, and it will only cost $22. If not, and it says, I don't know, like $50,000 for a 3-year contract, go back to brainstorming name ideas and keep finding until you find one reasonably cheap, like $22. So after you've secured the GoDaddy.com and you got your brand name and you understand your niche, your next step is to create a logo. and we want to utilize as many free tools which are accessible to us. So for example, use Canva to create a logo for completely free. Canva is a great beginner tool for entrepreneurs and designers. Just because things are considered beginner friendly does not mean they're bad tools. The reason I put that in there is because I used to think that when um, creators or whatever gave you free tools to use, you often think, oh, it's probably not the best quality, but Canva is extremely good. I've used it for almost every dropshipping store I've made. Just easier to navigate, easy to use. Definitely recommend. Um, yeah, so right here I use it, and if there's some things, because some things in Canva it requires you to upgrade to the, I think it's called gold or premium or whatever. Um, you'd have to get that, and it only costs 15 a month. But don't do it. There's no need. But I just said you can do it if you really feel like you need to create that logo. With elements that you might have to pay for. So yeah. Our next thing we want to do is create a business email. So this is really important, guys. So the custom email will be used for everything that you sign up for. So TikTok, Ad Center, Shopify, or viral ecom ads. That's pretty much all you need it for. But to create the email, just search up create Gmail account, click the first link, follow the prompts. When you name the email, make sure that it's yourbusiness@gmail.com. Okay, so let's say my brand's called, I don't know, Gymshark. I'll put gymshark@gmail.com, and this ensures trust with your customer when they see that the business matches with the email, so they'll feel more inclined to trust and purchase from your website, so from your store. Sorry. Yeah, that it's all about creating a relationship with the customer and creating a brand for yourself. And later, if you end up scaling the store, we will eventually get a custom email where it will be Nike or say Gymshark at, and then the CEO of the company. So Gymshark at benfrancis.com or Gymshark at support.com. But you'd have to pay for that through GoDaddy, but you don't need that right now. You don't need it. So I've got the Shopify plan here. I've attached a link. So when you sign up, make sure you use the business email that you made earlier to sign up. I'll create a more detailed video to explain how to set up your Shopify store. I'll screen record a video of me making my store. Yeah, don't worry about the price, because with the plan that I attach here, you get 3 days for completely free, and then 1 month for $1. So plenty of time. If you run out of time, you can get a new one. You don't have to worry about paying $56 a month. It's weird though, because they did have a plan, or maybe last year, a couple of months ago, where you could get 3 months for $1 each, so $3 for 3 months, and they had 14 days free on top of that. I don't know why they got rid of that though. It might have been costing them too much, but yeah. So right here I've got the layout for the next videos I'm gonna make. So next episode we'll go over setting up the Shopify store in full details, 100% authentic. So I'll legit cover everything. And also, if you think I will forget something, make sure you put it in the comments below so I can remember to go over specifically for you. Episode 4, we'll be discussing the winning product checklist, which I have made. I won't attach it to this video, but I will attach it to episode 4, and it'll just go over what you need to look for, the requirements. It has to fit, like essential markup prices. So yeah, it's really simple. Find 10 potential winning products using the checklist I provide you, niche down to 5, and then import them to Shopify like one by one, because we'll create a one product Shopify store to begin, so we can rapidly, test all the products, go through them. None of them work, we keep moving. But until we find that winner, then we can scale those ads and then push more products onto the website to create a funnel for them to pick from. So say through the ads they land on the winning product that you scaled, blah blah blah. They're like, hold on, this store is really branded, I'm going to see what other products they have. So they're going to go to catalog, they see that you got a bunch of other products, and then they're going to be like, oh, okay, I might buy that one and I might get that one. So overall it increases your conversion rate, but you don't want to do it in the beginning because you're focusing on trying to find that winning product. And also, do not get emotionally attached to one product, right? Like, I can't stress that enough. It is so important that you don't get emotionally attached to a product, because the moment it fails, your whole world's going to feel like it crumbled. You're going to be like, oh, it doesn't work, dropshipping is a lie, everything's a scam, I hate this, I'm never trying again. That's not the mindset to have when you're going into this, alright? Our goal is to move rapid, get over it, build a bridge. We fail, we get back up. We fail, we get back up. And I don't care if you failed like 100 times, you can get back up. Try again. It's no excuse to say, oh, I've tried like 200 times, I failed every single time. You're crazy if you think that all these successful people got lucky like that. It doesn't come with luck, it comes with hard work, consistency, dedication, discipline. I don't care if you don't want to do it, you're still going to do it. You're going to stick to what you know, and you're going to get help from people on YouTube. I can be one of those people. I'm still learning along the way. So, essentially my whole channel is to show my journey, and I'm going to try help you guys as well. And then lastly, episode 5 will be how to set up and create converting ads to test your products, and how to analyze data from the TikTok ad center. So I'll go through everything, ROAS, some ROAS calculators you can use, CTR, CPC, CPM, CTA, legit everything, like how to target audience, how to surf the wave, everything you could think of. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. It'll really help me out. It'll push the video to more people that might be looking for help. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This is like my first information video, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to hit that subscribe button if you want to join, follow along for the journey, keep up to date with the episodes that I'm going to be producing. And I'll quickly mention, I'm not exactly sure when I'll be able to get these videos out. I'll try my best to get them out once every 3 days, because I am quite busy and I'm going away soon, so I'll still get them out, but it'll just be a bit harder and it might take 1 or 2 days longer. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys next time.